The A-Transporter, designed with a low bed height for motorsport and general vehicle transport. Take a look at some of the standard and optional features, then configure one to match your needs. The trailer features a cast steel tow hitch with an integrated lock. The safety ball provides security when the trailer is detached from the tow vehicle. The heavy-duty jockey wheel is ribbed for additional strength and features an automatic locking mechanism. 3 20-litre jerry cans can be transported in the storage box. The high-level tyre rack provides secure storage for spare wheels and tyres without reducing the bed size. The front locker is useful for storing straps and other items. Steel runways provide excellent grip, as well as multiple strapping points to secure different-sized vehicles. Slick pads reduce tyre contact with the high-grip runways for racing cars with slick tyres. Anthracite alloy wheels are standard, including the spare, which is located under the rear of the trailer. Quick-release, low-profile wheel chocks can help with vehicle positioning when loading. An electric tilt bed with wireless remote operation is ideal for the loading of lower ground clearance vehicles. A manual hydraulic tilt bed is also available. The 4,500-pound capacity electric winch includes a wireless remote for easy loading. A manual winch is also available. The onboard battery and control panel operate the winch and tilt bed. The combination of an electric tilt bed and electric winch removes the need for manual handling. The Easy Glide 2-meter ramps are stored in the chassis. The kick-down legs unlock the ramps. They also allow a vehicle to be loaded when the tow vehicle is not attached to the trailer. The ramps are locked in the chassis when the kick-down legs are retracted. LED lights are durable and bright, particularly useful in bad weather. The A-Transporter is available in a choice of 5 colors: red, black, anthracite, blue, or yellow. It is also available in different lengths and widths, and with a gross weight of up to 3,500 kilograms. All Brian James trailers are designed and manufactured at our UK factory and come with a 5-year warranty on all BJT manufactured parts, including the chassis. For more information, to find your nearest dealer, or to configure an A-Transporter, visit the Brian James Trailers website.